Good morning, friends. Hello. This is me, Anna. I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to install my own water filter. See? Because, in your mind, to some of you, I can't do anything because, my nails make me handicapped. So let's see how this starts first. I know I have to uninstall this washer, so let's try this first. Wish me luck. This video might be in a few parts because this takes a minute to take out. So let's see how it works. Let's see. I'm going to move the filter so that I don't bang it up a little bit. So I'm going to put this over here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to move it. Okay. Now, does anybody know how you can take this stuff off of your drainers? Because I got a dish vac yesterday, and I'm trying to get rid of this stuff, and I can't get rid of it. Just send it to me in my inbox. Thanks.